Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about how we can get Git up and running on the computer. So what you do is go search for Git and look for the official website, and you click on download for Windows or whatever platform you're using, and then click here to download. That will download the newest one. I have it already. So once you're downloaded, just open it and then go for next, and then next, and just keep on nexting. And then all default settings. Keep on going. There's a lot of settings, but don't worry, you're gonna get it done really quickly because this is not a very big system there. Okay. All right. Now we're done with that. You can check out that release node to just finish it. Okay. That will get Git up and running on your computer. And you know it is up and running when you just go create a folder there. Maybe I'm gonna do a new folder, Git demo, something like that. And then you can go to the directory here and just say cmd and enter, and then you will pop up the terminal, and you can just say git. And then if it's showing you some information there, that means, hey, Git is in your system. Okay. All right. And we can do git -- version, and we can check the version there. You can see that's version 2.3.1, Windows.1. Yeah, that means Git is running. Okay. I like to use the command prompt, but some people like to use the desktop version, and primarily for artists. So that's one thing that we can take a look at. So there is a GitHub desktop, which is the one that's developed by GitHub, which is an online service to hold repositories. And you can also download this one for Windows. Okay. And another thing you may want or may need to have is the Git large file storage. So this one is needed when you have any file that's bigger than 100 megabytes. That's when Git is no longer suitable to keep track with the old-fashioned way it's using, but you have to use this system to deal with those bigger files. So this is needed. So click on that and download. I'll get this one up and running as well. Okay, that's the three primary components. If you wanted to do it with the GitHub desktop is gonna be optional. If you want to use the console command, it will be actually not needed, but for artists, people like to click and drag, kind of like operating instead of typing in console commands. Okay, so let me go ahead and install the Git large file system as well. Oh, well, that's an issue. Let's try to install the GitHub desktop. I guess this is because I haven't restarted the computer, so it doesn't know where Git is. Oh, it was an error. For something. I think that's the previous one. Or what's the log? I cannot write this stuff for some reason. Let's just keep on going. Looks like it's actually running already on my case. So let me just go sign into GitHub. Okay. I think I have software there already. That's why I cannot do anything about it. Okay, and then let me sign in there. If you haven't done this before, you have to create an account. Okay, with your username, email address. This one should be pretty standard, so I don't think I need to walk you through. Right, this is very similar to if you want to make a Facebook account or something. Nothing particularly different. So just go through it. And then you can log in. Okay. And then it goes back to this, and then goes back to the GitHub desktop, right? And then you can just use that default setting there, your name, email address, all kinds of things, and then finish. All right. That's when GitHub desktop is up and running on your computer as well. Okay. All right, and the next thing to do, let's check again the large file system hopefully this one works again this time, or if not, I may need to restart the computer. Let me take a look at that. It's happy this time for some reason. All right, so the large file system is also installed. So make sure that you install all those 3 things, and then make sure that you're able to create an account on GitHub and able to log in. And that's how yours would look like here. Okay, that's the second video, which is talk about how to get all the important components to be up and running on your computer. In the next one, we're going to actually go hands-on to make a project, upload it to GitHub, and then we can talk about how we work with how we actually work with it. Yeah. All right. See you guys next time.